Salve. In this video, we're going to learn about the future perfect passive. We've already talked about the perfect passive, which can be translated with a phrase like, it has been done. And we've talked about the past perfect, aka the pluperfect passive, which is translated, it had been done. The future perfect passive can be translated as, it will have been done. The future perfect describes an action that hasn't happened yet, but it will happen in between now and some other time in the future, so it will have happened by then. Forming this is actually quite easy. We take the fourth principal part of the verb, like doctus, and we add a future tense form assume, such as erit. And that is it. And that gives us forms like these. Doctus ero, doctus eris, doctus erit in the singular, and then docti eremus, docti eretis, and docti erunt in the plural. All right, doctus ero, the first person singular, means I will have been taught. Doctus eris, you will have been taught. And doctus erit means he will have been taught. Like the previous tenses we talked about, the perfect and the past perfect, the fourth principal part can be changed to neuter or feminine. For feminine, we would see this. And docta erit would mean she will have been taught. Docti erunt will mean they will have been taught. Other conjugations do just the same thing. Here we have mittere, a third conjugation verb. And here we have the future perfect passive forms. Misi eremus, the first person plural, means we will have been sent. And here's a fourth conjugation verb, invenire. The third plural, inventi erunt, means they will have been found. Okay, let's get some examples. I will have been forced. The fourth principal part is coactus. Here we have the future tense forms of sum, so we'll add this one and get coactus ero, or in the feminine, coacta ero. Next one, it will have been abandoned. Relictum is the neuter, so we'll go with that here. Then we'll add the third singular form and get relictum erit. Masculine form would be relictus erit, and the feminine would be relicta erit. Next one, we will have been ordered. Fourth principal part with a plural ending here, since we're saying we. We'll go with the first person plural assume, and we get iusi eremus in the masculine and iusai eremus in the feminine. And one more. They will have been broken. We'll start with a neuter plural ending here, fracta. Then we'll add the third plural form to get fracta erunt. They will have been broken. The masculine would be fracti erunt, and the feminine fractai erunt. Okay, that is it for the future perfect passive. Let me know if you have any questions. Vale.